Hello, my name is Gwenith Whitford. I'm a member of Write-Tukubuli Writers. My poem is titled Nature Island Night Show. The harsh metallic glare of a steamy afternoon suddenly fades as the sun drops into the sea. In its place, cool blues, fiery oranges, and bold reds are followed by silvery silhouettes and passing shadows. This shimmering curtain, in the shade of dusk, quickly falls at 15 degrees north and is upstaged by peeps, croaks, and hoots from nocturnal creatures whose time has come, as they are part of the night show with its breathtaking backdrop of celestial orbs, sparkling stars, and a captivating moon that invites spectators to abandon cares and cherish every moment while savoring the splendor of a nature island night. Thank you.